Battery. Hurry up.
The word of today is optimism.
I like it.
Good morning. It's round 2 of, it's day 2.
Round 2 of Midpond.
Yeah, day 2 of Midpond.
Round 2,
well,
yeah.
I know, round
we got
1.
knocked out round 1.
Yeah. The huge round 1 freaking Midpond all over 3 for 3 with the cars. So now we're going to try to fix it. George blew his intake up. Broke a diff. Mount.
Got it rewelded by some locals.
Mexicans.
I didn't want to say that.
It's all good. We're gonna go in to the track, fix the car. Optimism.
How you doing?
Good now.
Fix it?
Yeah, I took the old internals. I took the new internals out of the new throttle body and put on the old throttle body. That way we didn't have to modify anything else.
Nice.
Because they already have
the coupler and all that.
different coupler in it.
That's
yeah.
smart, honestly. I don't know why we didn't think about that yesterday.
Yeah. And also they had a nipple here, and the hole
That's blocked off,
the
right?
new one is bigger, so the plug didn't fit either.
Sure.
So,
Harlem.tv. Check him out.
Harlan's like a natural on this.
At
already.
Harlem WRX. Hit him
Here
up.
comes the hard part.
And propane. Gotta give her credit too.
You wanna put it in while
She's doing the damn thing.
Fun fact. Harlem and Brooklyn, New York. Check them out.
Woo!
The New York gang.
Fixing the FD.
Not from there, not from there.
Oh, the name.
We're eating popsicles in Alabama. The key word of the day is still optimism. We're still being very optimistic. It's a good day to be alive. Fellow fixed his car. George is like 45 minutes away at another town getting something else welded because his intake broke. Rule of thumb, don't buy Chinese intakes. They always break. Yeah, we're about to go on track, so keep watching. So we got Harlem.tv over here and Brooklyn.ny. She came through. We did a settlement agreement on, what we're trading for services here. A couple, fluids and stuff. Cookies and popsicles, bottled waters, probably a banana or two because this trip's been very expensive. So yeah, new throttle body's in. They did a rebuild. About to go on track hopefully and get our first 2 or 3 good laps because the first 2 laps there was nothing but issues. So I hope you guys are watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. We're gonna go send it. I was watching a couple videos last night and I think I can go faster on this track. So we're gonna try an upshift on the next pass or 2. Let's get it. 100-mile-an-hour wheel speed on a skid pad.
We're gonna catch on fire again.
Probably. She doesn't want to go for a ride again.
Yeah, she's traumatized. Traumatized from yesterday.
Yeah.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
You have to do it
Yeah,
like
Willie in slow-mo, like chomping the whole thing.
hot, that's
It's
for sure.
freaking hot. But this was great. Everybody was really wonderful.
Yeah, he's just under the YouTube link.
Oh well.
You
I'm
can
gonna
see
be
it.
in it now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be on YouTube.
It's my pleasure. Thanks for the entertainment. This is awesome. Hey, didn't see you there. Cringe AF. Check it out. So we're wrapping up. Midpond, thank you to say the least. This was wild. We have done more laps today than we've done more laps today than we have all year. So that is just insane. Close tandems. I mean, we literally destroyed all our body kits. Like, our cars look like they've been through World War III. It's crazy, man. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're looking forward to doing more stuff like this. We do want to travel out of Florida more apart from the competitive side. We do want to do more fun events. We want to get out more. So drop a like if you liked it, like and subscribe. Don't forget, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys at round 2, hopefully, of US Drift Circuit Pro-Am. If not, whatever pops up. But thanks for watching. See you later. Back to Florida.